what is good, y'all? So I finally decided to stop being lazy and do a video on my Hellcat. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start real quick. But yeah, nothing crazy. Definitely just wanted to get a video out there for you guys. You guys deserve it. I might put in a little POV drive if y'all lucky. But yeah, that's basically the car. I'm gonna start doing, you know, more videos and stuff like that, but just stay tuned. First upload, so you know, shout out to me. But anyway, this is my 2021 Hellcat wide body Challenger. Great. It's pretty late out, so hopefully my neighbors don't hate me. It's about 45 degrees out right now, so pretty cold. Show you the interior. You guys are lucky. I kind of wanted to put a little POV in here. So here we go. That shit is wild, bro. That's all y'all get. So yeah, on this channel, it'll be mainly, you know, Mopar cars. I do have a 350Z that's purple. I will, you know, probably sometime in the meantime be showing that off. But just for now, it'll be the Hellcat with the red key. I'll be doing like POV drives. I already do shorts, as some of you guys know. But you know, stay tuned. I'm really excited to get this up and going. I love this car. The wine is ridiculous. So if you want any POV drives, wine complications, I'm gonna be doing like everything you can possibly think of. Just give me time. So if you love Mopars, Hellcats, Scats, I had 2 Scats before, so I love this idle. Could literally listen to this all day long. A big reason why I bought this car. But yeah, with all that being said, make sure your notifications are on. We'll probably be posting like 2 to 3 times a week. Like I said, I just wanted to get this video out there to get me kind of on a roll. But yeah, I love the idle, man. The idle's literally, I know the camera doesn't do justice, but this idle is literally chopped in real life. But let me show you guys, this is the inside. I literally love this color. Got it literally brand new. Mopars. But no problems yet with this one. If I were to, you know, I'll be having videos. I want to lower it, but my neighborhood, not the best neighborhood for it. The fitment's not terrible now. Loud ass truck, bro. But like I said, I want to lower this car, so maybe if this gets like 50 likes, it probably won't, because I don't want it to, because I don't really want to lower it. But if it gets 50 likes, I'll go ahead and lower it for you guys. I love the idle. Custom tag. This bitch is fire. Like I said, got the YouTube up there, so make sure y'all go subscribe to the YouTube. Nice little mod, but other than that, it's stock. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Man, y'all must be the luckiest subscribers ever, bro, because y'all better get 2 pulls in 1 video for the free. Like, come on now. 2 vids? What? That shit crazy, bro. For the downshifts. What am I doing using my signal? Turn that off. I'm a Hellcat driver, bro. Signals? More like ultimate driver bit? What? I feel you, bro. Guys, I hate this speed bump right here, bro. Not in this car, but in the Z, bro. I cannot get over there, bro. It's been so many times I've stalled and shit. But nah, we home now. Might do a little pull going into the neighborhood. It is 1:48 in the morning, yo. I am a nah, I can't say that. I can say that though. we out. I don't want to be doing like too much stuff in one video, but like quick under the hood. So I'm finna show y'all. But yeah, if y'all like the video, please let me know how you guys liked it, what you guys want to see more of. Like I said, we're gonna be doing everything on this channel, so stay tuned.